everybody, welcome back to Invisible UX. Today we're going to continue our series on Figma tutorials with a session on frame properties. Enjoy.
Okay, let's get to it. So we're going to continue to use the Figma file that we've been using in our tutorials thus far. We've got a couple options, but let's use the frame with the rectangles as our example. So we're going to go ahead and just copy this down. So for starters, the design menu, when everything's unselected, there's not much to it. All you can really change is the background color, okay? So I believe it's this F5 gray by default, but you can change it to any color you want. You can go blue, you can go red, you can go bright green. I don't think you really want to stare at these colors all day, but it is an option. So I like gray because it doesn't contrast. It doesn't really affect the perception of the screens that you're designing. You can also adjust the opacity. So you start seeing sort of that transparency grid behind the background color if you reduce the opacity. I like to keep it this gray. Like I said, it's fairly neutral, and keep it at 100% opacity. You can also toggle the background on and off if you like.